Is Apple Intelligence stuck on preparing to download and won't move forward? Here's what you can do to fix it. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18.4 or later, because Apple Intelligence only works on that version and above. Also, check if your device is compatible. This feature is not available on every iPhone. Next, connect your phone to a strong and stable Wi Fi network. A weak connection can stop the download process or make it hang at preparing. Now, head to your Settings app, then tap on General and go inside iPhone Storage. Then look for available space. You will need enough free space for the download, at least a few gigabytes. If everything looks good but it's still stuck, try restarting your iPhone. This can refresh the system and help push through the setup. Still stuck? Head back to the main settings menu and search for Apple Intelligence. And if you see an option to cancel or restart the download, tap that. Then try again after a few minutes. If nothing works, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. This can help with server related bugs that are preventing the download. And of course, if Apple servers are having issues, you might need to just wait for it. It happens sometimes right after big updates. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.